Hey peeps, how you doing? You doing good? That's good. You doing great? That's even better. But pick the camera up to show y'all. Finally doing my refrigerator, y'all. And when I tell y'all, this is why I don't do her like this. Cause she a beast. She a whole beast for me. So today is December the 2nd at 2:04 in the p.m. Terrific Tuesday. I had me some little coffee. Water. So yeah. And I got my side table for my room, y'all. We'll be putting it up soon. If I kind of felt, this box was so heavy. I be wanting to get my stuff, like, done. I have to wait on my hubby for certain stuff, and which I don't like. But anyways, and anywho's, I done cleaned this up here. I done did all this. Wiped all my bottles off, cleaned all the shelves and all that. I took all these out, wiped them down, cleaned the little container. Same thing here. I took all this out. This whole thing comes out. And I took these out, cleaned them. Everything is clean. When I took it out, I had so many, like, what you call them, gnats or whatever, fruit flies, all up under this thing right here. I was like, and that's where the hand vac came in at. Yep. So I did all that, cleaned this, all that, right? And I just finished, doing all the door. Yep, and washing I cleaned this, my little butter dish. And then before I go to the grocery store, side note, I need to get some more butter. Washed off my creamer bottles, cleaned these little thingy things right here and this. So everything is done. Cleaned this off, refilled my ketchup. Child, this mayo. This ranch, I don't know what kind of ranch you eat, but I need to get some more because that's almost gone. Wiped off my bottles, cleaned all this little stuff right here and these little containers. So I'm done with the top part, y'all. But it's going to be, I clean my egg thingy out real good. So I got to get some more eggs because I only got 2 left. But everything is shining, smelling good because I used this. I went through a whole bunch of paper towels. And I was using my power wash. But I was using this. So yeah, I gotta put dishes up. I'm gonna make me a turkey burger. And so my bacon won't go bad. I'm gonna fry up a couple of pieces of bacon. Probably put all that in the air fryer. So yeah, I did everything. I put my fruit cups in here for now. They was back up in this region. And I got containers for my cold cuts, but it had to get lower than this to fit in the container. So I gotta wait. Yep, hubby stuff. She cleaned to March or April. We finna close the door. Oh, I ain't cleaned the outside yet. Feel like I see something. I know I gotta clean my handles. That's always. Okay. It finna be this part right here. I'm gonna go and eat these up. I was bad enough for child number 9 when she was pregnant and was having her little cravings and stuff. And we got the breast milk. Frozen breast milk. I keep these so when he come over, she brings more too. Yeah, but this has been like this ever since she came home. Oh, get that to my tummy. Yeah, from the hospital. Yep. So this definitely is in need of some cleaning. Yep. Take these ice trays. Yeah, I really don't even need them. Child number now was like having like craving for ice cubes. She said I messed up her teeth now. So, do this come out? Yeah, that come out. We're gonna clean this. Ain't no but like breast milk and all over here. Breast milk. My gyro meat, gyro. Let's move this out the way. And make me some nachos. There goes some legs. Tomorrow I'll probably make me some nachos, so I'm gonna use the rest of that meat. Here my steak burgers. These are the steak burgers and the turkey burgers. Oh, y'all, I'm tired. I don't know how long I've been at it, but it was 12 something. Cause I was doing it by the hubby. When he had called me, I was at it when he called me. So let's put some stuff over here. My tater tots. I got them for work. I ain't never fixed these. I think it's on still in here, these sausages. I hope they still some good. I think they is. When they expire. They don't expire. It's cool. They not too long expire. October the 28th. Okay. I'm gonna throw them away. And they're not my fave. I was just trying something. They're not my fave though. Whenever I cook cabbage or something again, or something, fish, because I got to taste for some fish again. My little for bread. Do I need to leave this out? Let's see. Okay. I got this. I'm going to leave it out. I don't eat the butts. My bad. I just don't. It's too thick. I'm not even a fan of bread anyway. My ice packs. Whenever my shoulder and stuff cut up. So this is it. Thought I saw something. That's breast milk. Did this come out? Huh. I know I'm probably gonna find some buggies back there. Oh, maybe not. I'll use the hand vac. Oh, nope. So it's just basically this part and down here. Alright. I think this come out. Like, come on. I feel like you come out. Like, you got to come out. I guess you just move side to side, huh? I don't remember. But this side ain't bad. Alright. It's 2:16. Let me get her done. Y'all, this has been a whole workout, for real, for real. I am over it. Because I really have to take this refrigerator, like, in bites. I did the shelves first, then I did the doors last. So I could wipe off all the stuff now in the refrigerator part. But anyways, I'll be back. Okay, it's 2:30. Y'all, this refrigerator be wiping me out. For real, for real. But she clean. Yep. We done cleaned her. Some always get left behind. Fooling with me. Let's see. I be having a hard time getting it back over. Like, for real. Come on, man. Why is you not going? Okay. Shoot. Up. I told you, some always get left behind. It's a piece of hair. But I had put these sticky things on here for that black paper to lay down. I got some more. I keep it down there on one of them red beans. And so we got this. Again, some always get left behind. Oh, yep. I feel like it's some hair right there. Let me get another paper towel, y'all. I don't want the paper towels today. But I'm done. I got all that breast milk, though. Get back here. Alright. I'm not really in the mood. Yep. So, all the breast milk is gone from here. And right there was a lot right there. So I cleaned this little thingy thing. I think this be leftover paper towel. Get that. Let's scoot over some. I got all this inside. This little part. The outside, inside of here. Yep. That and this. And the outside. I really didn't get back here. I'm tired. I'm over it. It didn't look too bad. And I had to bend to clean all this. Like, man, they're giving my grandson my bath. But she clean. Yes, she is. Breast milk where? Oh. Yep. I just gotta clean the outside. Ain't too bad. The outside ain't too bad. So let me get ready to put all this stuff back in. Whoo! That was a whole workout. I think I've been at it for like 2 hours. I've been at this. I'm gonna put my ice cream back. Yep, so. And then clean up and then cook. Because I'm hungry at this point. But she done. Yep. Get some stuff tomorrow to replenish. I love this. I love this. I put it on pizza, chicken. I use this for like when I make a gyro. And when I make my gyro, I use the taco shells, right? Them right there. And I use this sauce. Yep, and onions, of course. So, give me some apple cider. I'm gonna need some more creamer, some butter. Taking inventory. Y'all already know. Alright, say bye to the beast. Because once I put all this stuff up, I'm finna go into cook mode. Strictly into cook mode. And yeah. But y'all will see me tomorrow. I'm going to get y'all the grocery haul. And so on that note, y'all already know. I am. Yeah, that's how I am. I'm discombobulated at this point. I'm discombobulated. Pray for me. Pray my strength in the Lord, in the name of Jesus. That's how the old saints used to say, pray my strength in the Lord. when they have when they finish their testimony service. Who used to love testimony service? I get it. Because that's how you keep each other encouraged. Tell your testimony. Because you're not alone. And I ain't like, I'm just tired. This refrigerator won't me out. I ain't even do the top, but the top really don't need done because I did it not too long ago. So, all right. I'll see y'all when I see you. We ain't coming back when I put everything back because I'm famished. Basically, I'm hungry. And yeah. I'll see you when I see you. Peace. And my nose running. It's 10:46, peeps. I just got in the house. Damage control. I'm free to take stuff out the bags. So we got all this snow and it's extra cold. And that's what it is. Wonderful Wednesday, 10:47 in the a.m. December 3rd. Already. I ain't even gonna show y'all my room. Cause I had to get up. Like, I'm gonna try something. How about I gotta do it like this. So you have my, I be normally using this when I do child number. Nah. Here I go. It's cold out there, peeps. Help. I'm gonna take the stuff out. Can you see me? Maybe I should go back here. It was a lot. It was. It is. That's why I said I'm going to be all day putting it up. Because you know me, I got to take 50 million breaks. I don't need it on. I got to take 50 million breaks. Mm-hmm. You be doing the most up in this cake. With that protein powder. What? I was like, what's all this on my sink? To be this dried up protein stuff. I like my space clean when I come up in here for real. Okay, babe. That's your new saying for me. It's different tones, though. Okay, babe. We got that tone. We got. Okay, babe. We got like 5 tones of okay, babe. Okay, babe. See, mine be more like okay, babe. Yours be like annoying and she get on my nerves. Okay, babe. Sometimes yours always be when I hear yours. I'm like that. I ain't saying that.
I know it ain't nothing to you. Okay.
You saying you know it? I know it ain't nothing to me.
I know, because that's what you do. You're supposed to be one side out. I tell you who.
But for real, like don't start that hot tin roof for me. I am not. I never been a hot tin roof. Never.
I'm a man.
But I'm saying, I've never been a hot tin roof.
Okay, baby.
Okay, baby. Ah, you funny. You funny.
Okay.
just gonna dip like that. Like, why you wanna fall? Why? Why, sir, ma'am? Bananas, I don't even know what to call them, but they be having that little, then they have that like that little Chiquita female on there.
Yeah.
So it's a male. It's a male. You know we can't be eating no Campbell's.
What?
We got Campbell's food because they hear what? You know about that commercial. I mean, not the commercial, but...
I know what they said.
No, well, you call it.
They say they get the pork up. They mean black people.
Black people. That's what they mean. Okay. They make a lot of stuff with black people, like hot crunchy curls. Okie doke popcorn. Oh. Breaking it on down. We're gonna be putting all this stuff up for me, y'all. I'm recording, you know that?
So what?
I said I'm recording. Did you know?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, we did that, sweet.
I quit.
You quit, you tapped out.
Yeah,
You tapped out. All right, kids, let me get y'all a little horror quad car. Whew! It's a lot. Try to organize it as best as I can. It's all discombobulated. But it's out. That's for sure. Okay, we just finna do this because I ain't got the space. I don't have the space to get down like I would like to get down because I just don't have the space, peeps. Okay, let me take y'all on. Here we go. Turn y'all around. Let's start over here first. We got like the Lewis Hawaiian keto bread, which child number 9 says she don't like. Then we got the Hawaiian rolls for the chicken for tomorrow when child number 9 come over and bring my grandson. Because y'all know I keep him on Thursday to Friday now. It's been determined. And so I needed some more butter. Got some more peppermint tea. Oh, these the pods. Oh, snap. But he don't drink them. He could use mine. And apple, honey, cinnamon, applesauce. By Muscle Mans. I don't know, y'all. And I got 2 things of fruit snacks. I got the mixed fruit for child number 9. And I like these. These cans I like. I like the Welch's fruit and yogurt can. Yeah. And they got the blueberry acai and mango peach. And I got the hubby some more oatmeal. And where the oatmeal go? Child, my Nana said she be eating this for her breast milk, the bananas and cream. Got that. I got some Velveeta bacon. Is that? And I got the Velveeta broccoli. And okay. I got some white corn for my chili. I got the hubby some more barbecue sauce. Y'all know I got my Olipop Classic, Root Beer, Ridge Rush, Classic Grape, Cola, Cream Soda. Is that it? I think that's it. And I got my favorite sauce, some more roasted garlic aioli by Subway. And I got a thing of tomato sauce for chili. I got diced tomatoes with the zesty chili style chili. And I got him some, this the kind of soup we gonna be eating. We gonna like it, but some better than nothing. This chicken and home style noodles. And I got me some creamy tomato with basil. I got some cranberry sauce since it's back out. But I got more soup. I got another creamy tomato with basil. I got the hubby another chicken and home style noodles. I got some chili beans. I'm trying to get all my canned goods over here. And I got me a 4-pack of green cut beans. So I got child number 9 some fruit punch Minute Maid. And I got favorite cookies. I think I'm done over here. I got the hubby, his vinegar. I got me some cran grape. I got some hamburger buns for the steak burgers. I got a thing of chicken thighs and thing of chicken wings. $7.88. 14, 17. I got me a thing of Tostitos because I'm going to have some nachos to make me some nachos today. I got us a thing of puffs when we're watching our show. I got some bananas. I got child number 9 some Pop-Tarts. These are her favorite Pop-Tarts. S'mores. And I got some cheese to put on my nachos today I'm going to make. So I got that. And I got me some Amy Lou caramelized onion and white cheddar chicken sausage. Child number 9 will put me on, so I'm grabbing them up. I got me a regular bag of queso chips. I really like those. And whenever I fix something, I'm going to be cooking soon. I got some loaded potatoes. We could either eat it with that too, so it don't matter. But this is my favorite one, the Bob Evans loaded potato. And y'all know my favorite pizza, California pizza kitchen barbecue chicken. I love that. And a hubby, baking soda concoction, vinegar and baking soda concoction. Okay, I got me some creamer, the caramel creamer. And I want to try this because what I'm going to start doing, it's the Kraft Chipotle aioli. I be getting these little wake up wraps from Dunkin'. I'm going to start making my own. I got me some more apple cider vinegar. I use these in my smoothies. I got some more cooking oil because I'm going to get me some fish eventually. I needed some more cornmeal because that's what I use for my fish. I ain't got no more. I got me some pineapple tidbits. I got the hubby some oatmeal cream pies. I got me some more ketchup because I have no more. And this the one I like. And then, child number 9 be trying to put me up on these Kinders. So I got the fajita blend. And then I got the all-purpose. And let's move over here. I got my smoothie fruits mixed fruits, mango, pineapple chunks, sliced peaches, and whole strawberries. And I got the triple berries, which include the blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. And I got the Krispy Kremes because this is what they use for the wake up wrap. Plus, I just like tater tots, anything like that anyway. But these the ones they use to make that. And I got 2 things of ground turkey, 85% lean, 15 fat. I got the Hubby some more Townhouse crackers. I got the Red Lobster honey butter biscuit mix. I got some more milk. Almost gone, making his oatmeal. I got some chicken broth whenever I get my cabbage. And I got some eggs because do I have any eggs? Well, and I got some Ziploc bags. They got these sandwich extra large bags, healthy. And then I got the gallon bags, 40 and 50. And his pork chop and fries. And I needed some more rug tape, but they didn't have the one I had got before, so I'm going to try this one. It's the Gorilla double-sided tape. And it says good for carpets, rug, flooring, wood, stone, brick, metal, vinyl, plastic, paper, and more. Because I got to do the rug in the dining room. And I got a case of water. So, we got her done, right? So, I cleaned my refrigerator yesterday. Y'all will probably be seeing that. Oh, that's heavy. And I'm going to get started. Let me get my apple cider. Okay. Do I got room for my sauces? Okay. Clothes running. So, got her done, peeps. It's 11:03 now. Let's take a seat. Let's take a seat, peeps. Okay. Oh, my nose. I'm going to have to edit this part out. Or just black it out. Use a filter. Of course, my lip gloss came off. This is EOS. I need to buy me I feel like I don't need, but maybe 6 more. Because I can't keep up with stuff, y'all. So I did a little something to my hair today. It's so cold out there. One of these little earrings. These are pretty. Child number. Banana bought me these. So, right here. But anyways, I got her done. So let me get ready to start putting stuff up, breaking boxes down. Yeah, I might be doing this till like 1 o'clock. And it's just 11:01. But no hurries, right? It's going to get done. Shoot. I got to break them boxes down too. I don't break out. I used to, back in the day when I used to buy bulk of chicken and all that type of stuff, I used to break it, take the meats and put them in Ziploc bags and separate them and stuff. I'll do that. I don't feel like doing all that. I just thawed out whatever left over. I put it in the Ziploc bag. I need to take my other ground turkey out. Add that with my other ground turkey. The fresh one right there. I'll open one of those. And I'll make me some nachos. Channel now was telling me about they had some nachos. But I haven't had no nachos in a long time. Normally I just do tacos. But I'm like, I gotta take for some nachos. And I don't really do lettuce and tomatoes and sour cream. It can be kind of bland, but it be good though. Because I do onions. I do cheese and taco sauce. Yeah. All right, peeps. Let me get ready to get started getting her done. Y'all already know. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.